Good morning, children. I am your teacher, Monica. I am going to teach Gulliver's Travels, subject English in class 5. Children, today we are going to revise chapter Gulliver's Travels. Let us revise. Dear children, in Gulliver's Travel, we all know that Gulliver is lost in land of giants and how he struggled to escape from that land and how he stuck in the giant farmer's house. And in that home, the giant farmer's son, treated Gulliver and his experience in the giant's land. When a person tells the story of his life in his own words, it is called an autobiography. Gulliver, a sailor, was once caught in the land of giants. This is how he describes his experience. Children, let us revise new words. Bellowing, very loud noise. Inhabitants, occupants. Dear children, bellowing is the word used by Gulliver to describe the sound of giant farmer's voice. Inhabitants is nothing but the people who lives in a particular place. Barren is the land with no vegetation. My dear children, let's wait. Astonishment is greatly surprised. In our chapter, astonishment is used to describe Gulliver's feeling when he saw the giant farmer. Crumbled means broken into pieces. Grab means pick suddenly. When the giant farmer's son grabbed Gulliver, this word is used. Let us see. And here another section is given, that is, let's listen. Fun with sounds. In this section we are going to know some rhyming words. Pleasure, treasure, measure. Wear, tear. Stare, wear. Planned, canned, scanned. And strand. Topsy-turvy, hurly-burly, curly-whirly. Next. Children, in Gulliver's Travel, we have an important topic, that is as expression. As expression is used to make comparisons when the things we are comparing are equal in some way. Let us practice some more. Now complete the following. Use the words given in the box. Here the first blank is given as dash as a feather. As dash as a feather. Children, you have to use the help box given in your left hand side. Okay, here in this box, as dash as a feather is the word which shoots is as light as a feather. As dash as a tortoise. Children, think. As slow as a tortoise. As sweet as honey. Let me write for you. As white as snow. As strong as ox. As black as night. Again, as red as rose, as warm as a toast, as gentle as a breeze. Next, here and another important topic is given in Gulliver's Travels is the degrees of comparison. Children, when we are using an adjective, there is a thing called degrees of comparison. Okay, there are 3 degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. My dear children, in the positive degree is nothing but a simple use of adjective in a sentence. Let us go to second one, comparative degree. Children, whenever you compare, the comparison is between two things or persons, you will use comparative degree. Means you can see that this the first two giraffes, the first one is tall and the next one is taller than the first one, because the using of the degree is between the two things. That's why we use tall, taller. And the third one is superlative. It means it is the comparison between more than two things or persons. We call it as superlative. See, here the first one is tall, the second one is taller, and the third one is tallest. You can observe in the next picture big, bigger, biggest. Let's see another picture. Here this bird is beautiful, the next bird is more beautiful, and the last one is most beautiful. Active, a few more words. Active, more active, most active. Charming, more charming, most charming. Cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Here a few more. Okay children, here the first one is adjective, comparative and superlative. Here children, these are one syllable ones. Strong, stronger, strongest. Big, bigger, biggest. Large,